Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Health Architect, the Healer of Life. This is Dr. Shravani Revonkar, and today's topic is going to be the continuation of the previous one, in which we studied about various home remedies or natural remedies found in Indian system that will help in boosting your immune system, preventing yourself from getting various infections, and increasing your power in fighting against the various pathogens encountering your body. So let's study about the other natural remedies that is found commonly around you that will help you in boosting your immunity. Now let's study about this wonderful garlic properties in case of immune system. Garlic has been used in India as a powerful ingredient in food substances or food dishes. But in Ayurveda it has an important role as a medicine. Garlic has a variety of health benefits. It reduces the heart disease risk, it improves mental health and immune function. Garlic has a protective role against common cold and flu. Garlic has certain compounds that help immune system fight against the germs. Whole garlic contains a compound called as allicin. When garlic is crushed or chewed, this compound turns into allicin, the main active ingredient in garlic. Allicin contains sulfur, which gives garlic its distinctive taste and smell. Allicin is unstable and converts to other sulfur-containing compound to give garlic its medicinal properties. This compound is shown to boost the disease-fighting response of some white blood cells in the body when they encounter viruses, such as virus of the common cold or flu. Garlic also has anti-cancer properties, that is, it has ability to kill the cancer cells. It is found that garlic decreases the risk of getting colon cancer. Garlic is also anti-inflammatory, that is, it decreases the inflammation in the body and the immune markers or inflammatory markers. It improves the cardiovascular health too. Thus, garlic has antioxidative property, anti-inflammatory property and antibacterial property. It also helps in digestion and prevents you from gaining infection, or it prevents the encountering of the pathogen in the body. It is also anti-tumor property, so it kills the cancer cells or the tumor cells formed in the body and prevents you from cancerous condition. Now let's come to amla, also called as Indian gooseberry. This is a vitamin C rich fruit that is rich in vitamin C antioxidants that help fight against the oxidative stress produced due to the free radicals. It has antioxidant property. It boosts the immune system by increased production of white blood cells in the body that help fight infections and diseases. Also, amla is rich in iron, calcium and other minerals. It is rich in iron. It increases the production of hemoglobin, which in turn boosts your immunity to fight against the disease. Thus, it is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory substance that helps fight infection and boost your immunity. Amla also helps in healing of various wounds because it has high vitamin C in it. It also helps promote faster recovery of flu or cold. Almonds. Almonds are the type of dry fruits that every individual should consume because it does not only help you to fight against the infection, but it also has other health related properties. It helps you in a proper brain function, it helps to increase your vision, or it helps in heart diseases. Now let's study what is the role of almonds in your immune system. Almonds are excellent source of vitamin E. As we have discussed before, vitamin E is an antioxidant which destroys the free radicals produced by the body. So almonds are rich in vitamin E. They also contain manganese, magnesium and fibers. Almonds are very easy to find. It is an ingredient or the dry fruit that should always be present in your food or in your daily diet. Almonds are high in vitamin E and it acts as antioxidant which helps the immune system to function in an appropriate way. Almonds contain iron and protein that is essential for immune system or in balancing your immune system. Tomatoes. Tomatoes is a vegetable that is used by every individual in every kind of food or in salads. We know that tomatoes have increased immune related function because it has a lot of vitamin C in it. It also helps you to have a healthy skin. Vitamin C that is rich in tomatoes is very essential for the body to create, sustain and heal the tissue such as for the bones, blood vessels, and it strengthens the immune system against diseases. Tomatoes contain lycopene. Lycopene is a non-provitamin A that is synthesized by microorganisms and plants. And this lycopene is specially found in tomatoes, which is the most potent antioxidant among the dietary carotenoids, mainly due to its conjugated double bonds. So the lycopene present in the tomatoes have antioxidant properties that helps the body to fight the oxidative stress and helps to fight against the free radicals. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C that has healing properties, healing of the wound or early recovering of the cold flu because vitamin C is essential in healing of the wounds and fighting against the common flu or common cold. Vitamin C also helps to boost your immunity. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta carotene, a type of antioxidant that gives the skin of the potatoes its orange color. Beta carotene is a source of vitamin A. It helps to make the skin healthy and even provide protection against the skin damage from UV radiation. Sweet potatoes also has antioxidant property and anti-inflammatory properties in it. It is rich source of iron, that is it increases the hemoglobin production in the body, thus fighting various infections. The antioxidants that are present in the sweet potato helps to fight against the infection by decreasing the free radicals produced in the body. The beta carotene that is present in the sweet potato helps to keep the mucous lining in the respiratory and gastrointestinal tract intact, and thus it traps various pathogens and foreign objects in the mucous lining and helps to engulf the pathogen and fight against the infection, and thus preventing in harmful effects by the microorganisms. Let's study about broccoli and cauliflower and various sprouts. These are considered as vegetables which are rich in antioxidant properties and are rich in vitamins that boost your immunity. They also contain choline, a nutrient essential to healthy diet. Choline helps your cells function in an appropriate way and helps support healthy gastrointestinal barrier, keeping the bacteria safely confined into the gut. Cauliflower is a beneficial food to eat when you're sick because it is rich in glutathione, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to fight off the infection. Broccoli contains various antioxidants and compounds in it that help you to fight the oxidative stress, destroy the free radicals, because broccoli is a powerful antioxidant food that is present in your diet. So having broccoli every day helps you to prevent yourself from various kinds of infection. Broccoli also contains various vitamins such as vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3 and vitamin B6. 1 cup of broccoli gives you much vitamin C, as much as orange and lemon. Broccoli is high in beta carotene, potassium, magnesium, zinc and iron. Thus, it is a nutrient-packed powerhouse to support your immune system because it is highly rich in various vitamins, various minerals and various antioxidants. Now coming to the red bell peppers, which help in boosting your immune system because of its high content in vitamin A, vitamin C and antioxidants. It has beta carotene which help maintain healthy vision and skin. The red bell pepper contains 1.5 times more vitamin C, 8 times more vitamin A and 11 times more beta carotene than green bell pepper. The antioxidants present in the bell pepper help in decreasing the oxidative stress in the body, helps in decreasing the free radicals produced in the body and thus decreases the toxic state in the body. It flushes out toxins from the body. It decreases the inflammatory processes happening in your body, thus preventing the inflammatory markers and thus preventing the chronic diseases such as cancer. The vitamin C present in red bell pepper helps in wound healing. It boosts your immunity, keeps your immune system strong so as to fight against the infection. It helps balance your immune system and function in an appropriate manner, thus helps in boosting your immune system. Now let's study about cloves. Cloves is a spice that is used in Indian dishes because of its sweet and spicy aroma and depth in flavor. Cloves has various vitamins, minerals and other nutrients that is essential in the body. But cloves also has medicinal properties in it that is connected to the ancient traditional Indian system. Cloves help in digestion, helps in treating various kinds of infection. So cloves has antibacterial properties in it. Cloves also has a certain enzyme called as eugenol, or eugenol is a compound that is present in cloves that has ability to fight against the infection or disease causing bacteria in the body. It helps to ease the infection. Cloves has high amounts of antioxidants which aid the immune system in fighting the oxidative damage and the free radicals. Cloves also decreases the inflammatory process in the body and thus preventing inflammatory diseases, chronic diseases like heart diseases, etc. The curry leaves that is used in Indian medicine as well as in Indian food, it helps to protect your immune system or balance your immune system. It has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which help in preventing any kind of infection and kills any cell damaging free radicals. That is, it prevents your body from the free radicals and oxidative stress. It kills any cell that is damaged by the free radicals. It prevents infection, it prevents inflammation, it prevents bacterial growth, and it prevents your aging process. And it prevents your body from the free radical effect. Let's study about fenugreek, which is commonly called as methi in Indian terms. The action of fenugreek on immune system is very important to know. Fenugreek is a powerful antioxidant. Other than that, it has various other nutrients such as choline, biotin, inositol, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin D, soluble and insoluble fiber, and iron. Fenugreek is an important substance that helps prevent inflammation or decreases the inflammation. Hence, it has anti-inflammatory properties as well as antioxidant properties. Fenugreek has flavonoids in it, which is a powerful antioxidant which decreases or fights the free radicals in the body and slows down the aging process. Fenugreek is also used as a pain relief. It also has its action on the reproductive system and digestive tract. Fenugreek is used in Ayurvedic and Unani medicines. It strengthens the immune system. It has immunostimulatory effect. Thus, it helps in fighting the infection. It decreases the inflammation and decreases the oxidative stress produced by the free radicals. Egg yolk. Egg yolk is very high in cholesterol. So many people avoid the egg yolk and they eat the egg white. But egg yolk also has lot of functions in it to play. Egg yolk is a rich source of protein which builds up our immune system and helps to fight the immune related problems. Egg yolk also contains zinc, selenium and other important minerals that boost the immune system and thus improving your immune system to fight against the disease. So egg yolk, in other words, is rich in protein, various minerals and various other antioxidants that is related to it. Coming to another colorful vegetable, that is carrot. Carrot is an excellent source of beta carotene which gives them bright color. One of the beta carotene's job is to support the body's mucous membrane which lines the respiratory and gastrointestinal tract, making it harder for the bacteria to enter the bloodstream and cause trouble. The raw carrots along with cauliflower, broccoli and other vegetables is an appetizer, that is, it increases your hunger power or the appetite. Thus, carrots are rich source of vitamin A that helps improve your vision and also strengthens your immune system. Let's come to poultry, that is chicken soup or the turkey soup. When we are sick, we are given chicken soup. There's a reason why we are given chicken soup, because it has immune boosting properties in it. It helps to boost or improve the symptoms of the cold and helps to protect you from getting sick in the first place. Poultry such as chicken and turkey. It is rich in vitamin B12 and vitamin B6 that helps you to gain the immunity and helps you to recover faster. So now let's study about one of the Indian spice, that is asafoetida, which is also called as hing in Indian terms. So this spice has many functions, not only in boosting your immune system but also in other ailments. Hing, which is also called as asafoetida, it helps especially in asthma, which is a respiratory disorder. It is also used in bronchitis, dry cough, because of its anti-inflammatory action on the body. It also helps in boosting your immune system or prevention of getting infection or fighting against the infection, because it is antiviral and antibiotic in nature. So hing or asafoetida is anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antibiotic. Asafoetida or hing also has other effects on gastrointestinal system, that is, it has a digestive enzyme that helps in proper digestion of the food. Also, it prevents certain type of gastric disorders like hyperacidity. Hing or asafoetida is also a powerful antioxidant, antispasmodic, antimicrobial and anti-carcinogenic. Asafoetida has certain compounds which help in fighting the cancer and it helps in dissolving the tumor. It is a powerful antioxidant which suggests that it kills the free radicals that is produced in the body. Asafoetida also helps in relieving from stomach upset, flatulency, that is gas problem, bloating of the abdomen, indigestion and irritable bowel syndrome. Asafoetida, since it is a powerful antioxidant, it helps in fighting against the free radicals that damage your body cells. It is also a powerful antibiotic, antiviral, and thus helps in boosting your immunity and decreases the inflammation in your body because it has anti-inflammatory properties.